Hey everybody, come watch me make May's card. It's the pop-up camera. Because she does have a tutorial on her page. So if you like what you see, go check hers out. I promise you, this was super easy. You will love it. Alright everybody, enjoy. So what do you think? It came out pretty darn cute, huh? I used this, was from Cricut. All I did was put in photo and this came out. And then I used the stamp set, We Must Celebrate from Stampin' Up. And I wanted to make layers to match the stripes. But this is, May made it. May's, I'm sure everybody knows who May is. But this is her tutorial that I followed along. This is a birthday gift for Shannon. So now what I did was this. I printed out some pictures on my print shop. Only because we're going to do it the exact same way as May. And because I was printing out one sheet, I said let me throw a couple of pictures on there because I pay monthly for my pictures. Not my pictures, but the pages I print. So I get so many amount of pages a month. So I said I might as well. There we go. We'll put that down. I'm going to use my tape runner. It's stinking cute. Glue right there. Oh my Lord, look at how stinking cute that is. Alright, now I do have this. This is that scratch off sticker, so that if you scratch it off you reveal it. So if you ever go look at her tutorial, May's made it, you'll see her tutorial on how to make this, and she used this. So this gives me a really great excuse to use something I've had in my stash. I want to cover this with the scratch off. So I want to take this and I want to peel this off. It feels like a piece of vinyl. And then if she'd like to see what picture I put behind it, she has to scratch it off. Isn't that cute? Holy moly. Well, Shannon's card is done. Happy birthday, Shannon.